Okay, so I just got ready. I'm gonna be going to my mom and sister's place to spend some time with them. But I'm letting my hair lay down, and I wanted to show y'all my new phone case. Isn't it so cute? I ordered this a little bit ago. I got it from Ally, and it's just so cute. So I wanted to show y'all that, and I wanted to open blind boxes. This is the new adventure series of plush danglers. So let me show y'all the ones. So I have this one. I got this one, and I really think it's super cute. I don't really want this. This one would be okay. I don't want this one, but I do want these two. Specifically this underwater one I really want. So basically it's these two that I'm looking for. So let us see. I kind of like that they have the black bags now, because you kind of have to commit more. I don't know what I think this is. You know what I think it is? I think it is this one, based on feeling. I should have got my scissors. Yeah. It's this one. I'm not a fan of that one. I'm not gonna pretend. So, let's move on. That was a disappointment. I do not like that one. Okay. This one. I'm thinking this one is the other one that I don't want. The football player looking one. It's not. It's the underwater one. Yeah. She's so cute. Okay, yes. This one's gotta go. But this one, now I just need the ballerina one.